I'm here right now in Park Mall, Mandaue City, and I have to look at this Japanese garden that they have in here to get some ideas for my garden at home, especially my BPP park. So if you look at it here, they had some bonsai trees. Because actually I have never seen this garden myself, so I have to have a look. And I like the bonsai trees that they have here. Let me get in the garden. So you might not see this garden as well. You can just come here and just park. And so there's like, oh, a sitting area, all trim. Another bonsai feature. They have like a Japanese bridge type here. All this money. I like all this, see. Like the perennial shrubs. And look at this. So there's like a bridge over. A small pond should be, but it's no water on it, just rocks. Oh, it's quite nice actually, where people can sit down. And all the bonsai feature, rock feature. Olby can have his mud pond when my hill will be flattened out, and then we'll have a garden like this incorporated. Like look, it's really nice. So it won't be just a mud pond by itself. It can be a beautiful garden as well. Then we walk over here, and there's a roundabout where people can sit down with all the snake plants in the middle. Look. And rock benches like in Shinjuku Garden. Look at this. So there's a pathway here. Again, another rock feature. But look at all this pathway made of uneven rocks. I don't like this. I need it to be even. Like even an even rock, but at least as long as when you walk, there's the surface is even. So there's the bonsai, money trees, pandakakis. I've been knowing some of these plants because I've been collecting them for the Village Park Paradise soon. It's quite a nice garden, and you have another walkway here, a Japanese bridge type. So look at the bridge. It's just made of those like PVC molded. It's not really wood. It's only the side is made of wood. but these are just PVC decking. And also there's another walkway area here, but there's a lot of people there, but you know, like secret sitting areas. All this rough stone pathways. Gotta be careful before your shoes get caught on it. This is beautiful, actually. I'd like to encourage this to Old B, so he will create something like this to match his Japanese area design on his mud ponds across when we had it flatten out. There's somebody trimming the grass. So very nice. So how they shape all this ficus tree. What I really like are this one. And look at this. The bonsais. And they have this bamboos. Overall, it's very nice. So these are the gardens here in Park Mall on the front of the building. I like the incorporation of these rocks here. I may pick up some of the rocks from different places around the hill. I'll let the lads pick it up by the multi-cabs. You know, the one that where you remember there's a landslide that happened and they got some rocks falling down and they just throw them in the river. We can roll it up in a multi-cab, but I think I have several ones in my place anyway. So these are very nice gardens, actually. This is on the right side when you walk into the actual Park Mall building. All these well manicured plants and grasses. I really like their bonsai. And there's the Park Mall. This is right on the other side of the Park Mall frontage. This is when you go in, this is on the right side. But I like it, how they incorporate the rocks. Like the Japanese garden that I see in Japan. But they're still working on this one. So there's like a little pathway on the side. Again, a different design from Ayala Center Gardens. This is more akin to the Japanese garden, with rock incorporating, and that's it.